Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will cook some delicious spaghetti meatballs. So let's get to it. For the meat mix, we will use some fresh sausage and minced pork. You can use minced beef if you want. It's up to you. The proportions are roughly 1 to 1. We will add some bread to it to be sure it will be fluffy after cooking. First, we cut off the crust, then we soak the bread. Next, we finely chop some garlic and we add a whole egg. This will keep everything together. We season with salt and ground pepper. Now we will mix everything together. When the mix is done, we add some plain flour on a flat surface and we begin making the balls. Next, we gently roll them in the flour. We take off the excess flour and we put them aside. When the meatballs are ready, we clean and dice some white onion. Now comes the cooking part. In a hot cast iron pan, we add some olive oil, followed by the meatballs. We want to sear them on all sides until they get a nice golden brown color. This is just to get a crust. The meatballs will cook in the sauce later on. When they are done, we take them out of the pan and we put them aside. We prepare some water in a pot for the pasta. In the same pan with the fat that rendered from the meatballs, we sear the previously diced onion. Next, we add some peeled tomatoes and some water. You can use chicken or beef stock if you have. We season with bay leaves, salt, ground pepper, and some dried Italian herbs. We give it a good stir and we add the meatballs. We let them cook for roughly 40 minutes. water is boiling, so we add some salt followed by the pasta. This recipe is quite easy to make and it is very rewarding. We add some grated parmesan on top and some fresh parsley. The meatballs are tender and delicious, and the sauce is thick and rich in flavor. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you like what we do, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stay safe and see you on the next one.